All right, so this is actually one of my favorite rooms in the house. It's what I'm referring to as the study. There's a couple really great things about this room. So the first is this 6-foot tall brick fireplace. The details in here are just so beautiful, so can't wait to clean this up and bring it back to life. The second is the safe. We're calling it the safe room. It is this old school MC Bailey safe, and it is just so neat, and we're so happy to be able to preserve that, and can't wait for the new buyers to be able to use it.